I mean, CPI did crash the market today. It's getting really out of hand, guys. Inflation is getting out of hand, and it's getting very dangerous out there in regards to our, our spending, our money, and everything that's going on. So I do wish everybody the best of luck, and I hope that everybody is trying to be very frugal with their money, because it's gonna get only worse, right? So yesterday we reviewed the fact that we were looking for some type of move out of um, the data from today that was released at 8:30 in the morning, and whether it was up or down. Yesterday's session towards the close, it was giving us a little bit of that hint. Now I saw on social media, on Twitter, that a lot of people were saying that this was a fake, this was the market's faking us out, and just so that when the data was released today, it was going to shake out all those short traders or short squeeze them. But to the surprise, we got lower. Now, I haven't taken a trade in about 2 weeks, and today, this morning, was the first time I took a trade. I was patient. I've been waiting for this move. I've been waiting for some type of move like this. Now, I put my capital to work this morning. I'll show you guys the trade, well, the alert that I sent out over in the Discord group, and I'm still holding it, right? I'm holding it into next week, because what I anticipate is going to happen is that we're going to retrace a bit of the move that's happening now, the gap lower, and then we're going to wait until Wednesday for Powell to speak and give us his guidance and give us his rate decision based on what happened today with CPI. That could give us a move lower, right, based on his decisions. So we'll find out. We'll monitor the trade as the days go, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and we'll see. We'll take it from there. But for now, we're pretty profitable, about 5-6% in profits. I took shares of SQQQ, which is the short ETF to the triple Qs. All right, so enough with that rant. Let's review the charts, because that's what you are here for, and not for me to discuss anything else but technical analysis. All right, so just to quickly show you guys, right? So on QQQ, short via SQQ holding shares, this was the chart that I sent out this morning. Well, it was the triple Qs. So we noted that when we got at the open, right, at the cash open, we gapped lower. We invalidated that wave one high from the bullish count, as you guys remember from previous videos. So that triggered for me to say, you know what, I think that the zone held as resistance. Markets are bearish. There's a lot of other things going on, like the 10-year yield breaking above 3%, the Japanese yen getting weaker, oil ripping higher. So it has a lot of little recipes here for the markets to start becoming bearish. So there's a lot of risk off right now in the market. So anyway, that chart now transitioned into becoming like this. Let's take a quick look. So I've been telling you guys back here that this was a possibility that we're going to go short. So what I'm proposing here is that we are in the makings of the wave 1, 2, the 3. We're going to consolidate in the wave 4. Whether this prolongs or this fills a gap coming into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday before Powell, that is yet to be determined. We could head lower and then pull back into the wave 4, but for now, it is looking like we're heading lower. This is an impulsive structure, a motive wave. A gap, like an acceleration gap, is indicative of an impulsive move. So we got that this morning. We rallied a little bit, and then we ended up fading lower into the close today. All right, so coming into next week, I am anticipating some sort of three-wave pullback, whether it's a triangle, whether it's a flat, we'll find out. And then once that resistance to a 38.2, maybe a 50% retracement of this entire decline is met, we can start anticipating that the markets will start heading on lower into the wave 5 of wave 1. Now, if you miss this move, that is okay. You don't have to worry about that, because the bigger move and the bigger meat and the bone is going to come at the retracement of the wave 1, right? So this entire thing is a wave 1 pullback. We're gonna get the ABC pullback into the wave 2. Excuse the noise in the background. And then here, wherever this retracement lands, is where we'll take that other short opportunity to the downside, to the wave 3 of 3, which is the largest, most percentage gain for the impulsive structures. All right, guys, so be patient. The opportunity is going to come. If you are bullish, coming into this morning, it's okay. Just manage your positions, manage your risk tolerance, and it all depends on your time horizons as well. So just be careful out there, because things are only going to get worse. Now, we're hanging out just right below the lows, all right, the yearly lows. May 20th was the low of, May 20th was the low of this year. So if we start breaking lower, even in the continuation lower in the wave 3, that'll only give more confirmation for the bearish bias. All right. So, however, not everything is bad news. We still have a little bit of hope in that, I told you guys yesterday, anything beyond the 618 and the 786 becomes a little bit dicey. I don't like it. I don't prefer that in the wave 2 pullback of the rally in the wave 1. I just don't like it because it just gets too deep, and then something moving out of it is just going to be a little tough. The 100% equality of wave 1 and wave 3 is just at 427.99. It doesn't give too much wiggle room for the wave 4 pullback. Therefore, it might give us the 1618, but we wouldn't know yet, right? For now, we will hold on to this chart. We'll keep tracking it. We'll wait for the confirmation of the break of low wave candle validation at 380.85, which is the low in May 20th. All right, hopping over to the triple Qs ETF, where we took the short trade. This is the bullish count. Same deal, guys. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. ABC to the 2, 786 support, rally into the 3 into next week or after Powell. However, I don't think that may be the case. I think what's upon us is continuation lower to this wave 3. All right, guys. So we see ABC, so AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C of 2. All right, a little bit more pain to go, but ultimately it will result into a longer period of bullishness. Maybe this year, maybe the next year, who knows? We'll find out. We're already in the middle of the year, summer season, and it's only going to get worse because summer, people are going out using more transportation, oil prices. Here in New York City, where I'm from, we're going to be using a lot of the AC, so electricity, energy is going to be a high consumption. So we're going to notice all of that within the type of sector. Anyway, so I hope you guys were safe out there today. It is getting crazy with the inflation. Please, be frugal with your spending. I have no one to tell you what to do, but no, I just got a notification, 3-to-1 split for Tesla. Look at that, 3-to-1 split for Tesla. Anyway, so let me see if I could show the team this. I'll do that after. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the summer. Peace out.